Good morning, student. Exercise 2.3. First question, first part. Evaluate the following. 7 into 3 upon 5. Write 7 as 7 upon 1. So multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So 7 into 3, 1 into 5. 7 into 3, 21. 5 into 1, 5. So convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. 21 divided by 5. 5 fours are 20 and 1 upon 5. This is mixed fraction. Now second question, first part. Evaluate the following. 3 upon 7 into 5 upon 9. Same numerator 3 into 5, multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. 1 into 5, 5 and 7 into 3, 21. Question number third. First part. Find 1/3 of rupees 42. 1/3 of rupees 42. Here of means multiply. 1/3 of 42. Cancel out. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So answer is rupees 14. 1/3 of rupees 42 is rupees 14. Now question number 4th. First part. Which is greater? First part given 2 upon 7 of 3 upon 4 or 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8. Now compare which is greater. So solve. 2 upon 7 of means multiply 3 upon 4 or 3 upon 5 into 5 upon 8. Multiply numerator to numerator. So 2 into 3, 7 into 4 or 3 into 5 and 5 into 8. Cancel out. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. So 1 into 3, 3, 7 into 4, 7 into 2, 14. Or 5 to 5 cancel out. So 3 upon 8. Now by cross multiply, calculate which is greater. 3 into 8 or 3 into 14. 3 into 14. 24 or 42. Which is greater? 42 is greater than 24. So this fraction is greater than of this. So write 2 upon 7 of 3 upon 4 is less than 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8. Question number 5th. If 1 meter cloth costs rupees 31 and 3 upon 4, find the cost of 5.5 meter cloth. This question solved by unitary method. 1 meter cloth cost given. So write cost of 1 meter cloth is rupees 31 3 upon 4. So convert this in mixed fraction into improper fraction. 31 into 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12 plus 3 upon 4 or 127 upon 4 in improper fraction. So find the cost of 5.5. 5.5 means 5 into 2 10 plus 1 11. 11 upon 2 meter cloth multiply 127 upon 4 into 11 upon 2. So multiply numerator to numerator, 127 into 11 and 4 into 2. Now multiply 127 into 11, 4 into 2, 8. So in rough work, calculate 127 into 11, 127 into 127, 7, 9, 3, 1. So 1397, 1397. Convert this into improper fraction. Divide 1397 divide by 8. So 8 ones are 8, 5, 57. So answer is 174, 5 upon 8 rupees. This question solved by unitary method. If cost of 1 meter given, so multiply by 11 upon 2. Next question. Question number 6. If the speed of car given, find the distance covered in it in 3 and 3 upon 5 hours. So speed given, speed, question number 6, speed of car given 105 1 upon 5 kilometer per hour. So 105 into 5 plus 1 upon 5 or 526 upon 5 kilometer per hour. Now time given 3 and 3 upon 5 hours or 15 plus 3 18 upon 5 hours. So you have to calculate the distance, find the distance. Speed given, time given, you have to calculate distance. So distance equal to distance equal to speed into time. So speed is 526 upon 5, 526 upon 5, and time is 18 upon 5 hours, 18 upon 5 hours. Now multiply numerator 526 into 18 and 5 into 5. So 526 into 18 multiply and 5 into 5 25. So 526 into 18 calculate. So answer 6. Rough work, calculate 9468 9468. Now divide 9468 by 25 and convert improper fraction to mixed fraction by dividing 9468 divided by 25. 25 3 is 75 and calculate, and answer is 378 18 upon 25 and distance, so write in kilometer. Thank you.